Hi and welcome. Today I'm glad to introduce our project, Rolling Towards Menstrual Equity. We're 4 high school seniors at Prepa Tecmetepec. The problem we seek to address is denominated period poverty. Despite being a natural bodily process, many individuals struggle to access the necessary menstrual management supplies due to economic constraints, cultural taboos, and a lack of education. This situation is called period poverty.
The World Bank states that at least 500 million women and girls globally lack access to the facilities they need to manage their periods. On the other hand, statistics in Mexico indicate that 42% of menstruating women are affected by menstrual poverty.
So, who does this problem affect? This problem affects girls, adolescents, women, and people who menstruate.
This issue is important as it directly affects the quality of life and dignity of thousands of individuals who menstruate. In addition, by finding a possible solution, we contribute to achieve the following SDGs.
The Sustainable Development Goals that we cover and which are related to the problem is the CGD 3, which is the good health and well-being, CGD number 4, related with equality education, number 5, gender equality, 10, that wants to reduce inequalities, and last but not least, CDG 17, which is related with partnerships with the goals.
Our project aims to eradicate the problem through the development of an app focused on menstrual awareness and information, along with a mobile awareness unit and health services. This will significantly help reduce the number of women suffering from period poverty and lack of menstrual management.
This is an overview of all the screens, and this is a demonstration of the app running. The application will consist of a home screen that welcomes the app with a start button. Before logging in, the user's age will be asked so that the information and games are designed for the user's age. When entering, the screen will present 4 buttons. The first one will lead to a screen that explains what menstruation is. The second one leads to another screen emphasizing the importance of menstrual management and the products that can be used. The third one will lead to a screen where taboos and myths will be debunked. And finally, a game that to put into practice all that has been learned. The application will not require the internet to operate, so we can reach remote communities.
Now, in order to reach forward, we have our mobile unit, which will access communities that do not have access to technology or to the internet.
So this is our base model, where on the right side we can find the information section where we have iPads equipped with our application along with more informative slides about menstruating in general or in more detail depending on what is requested. Also, in certain parts, as we can see here, we find furniture where people can access sanitary towels, tampons, menstrual cups, etc. And finally, about our medical area, which is on the left side, we have the basic utensils necessary to attend to various consultations, and we also have electronic devices to access the patient's medical history.
Our project recognizes the importance of strategic alliances to effectively achieve our objectives. From NGOs and academic institutions to local philanthropic foundations and healthcare providers who can help us with logistics, promotion, and the provision of services to those affected by period poverty.
Now, our project benefits many people, especially those who menstruate, by providing essential medical services, menstrual management products, and menstrual information.
The project stands out for its multiple-angle approach to addressing period poverty by using innovative technology. We ensure access to educational resources and health services in remote communities. Our commitment to delivering meaningful solutions sets us apart from others in the field and ensures a more effective response to this critical issue.
In order to verify the realistic impact and whether it is a viable solution, we consulted experts in this field that told us that we must change the hygienist language as it gives an interpretation of indirectives. It is necessary to generate a contribution with a cost by menstrual supplies, and the application with the mobile unit complement each other to impact both urban and rural areas.
We did a test with our target audience with a sample of people between 13 years and 17 years old who tried our application and commented that our solution is actually very complete, offering a wide range of features and functionalities that cater to the diverse needs and interests of teenagers.
Finally, we plan to go worldwide with the help of strategic investors. Therefore, we can take our trucks and our app everywhere.
Thank you.